The inspector personality. Imagine a friend who's super reliable, sticks to a routine, and gets things done without fail. That's an inspector. They're grounded, hardworking, and organized, like Hermione Granger from Harry Potter. They say what they mean and follow rules to the letter. Inspectors are dependable, but can seem rigid and struggle with expressing emotions. If you're an inspector, remember to take breaks and connect with others emotionally. It can make a big difference. The crafter. Think of crafters as the MacGyvers of the world. They see a problem and immediately start figuring out how to fix it. They're goal-oriented and love understanding how things work. Their three key traits are problem-solving, understanding cause and effect, and thrill-seeking. They rely on facts and objective criteria for decisions, staying calm and efficient at work. Crafters are reserved and calm in communication, but might struggle with understanding emotions, coming off as cold. If you're a crafter, remember to check in with your own emotions and those of others to connect better. The protector picture. The protector as the Hufflepuffs of the world, all about loyalty, compassion, and ensuring everyone feels cared for. Their key traits are being highly perceptive, compassionate and loyal, and emotionally sensitive. They pick up on subtle changes in mood, go out of their way to support others, and often bottle up their own feelings to avoid burdening others. Protectors thrive in routine and consistent environments, creating a sense of order and harmony. If you know someone who's always there for you and keeps things in order, you're likely dealing with a protector. And if you're a protector, remember it's okay to share your feelings. People care about your well-being too. The artist. Think of these folks as the Zen masters of the personality world. Calm, present-focused, and full of creative energy. Artists are peaceful and caring, quiet and calm, and live in the present. They excel at hands-on activities and prefer practical applications over abstract theories. However, they can struggle with indecisiveness, avoid conflict, and need time alone to recharge after social events. The advocate. If you're compassionate yet strong-willed, introverted but capable of deep social connections, you might be an advocate. Advocates are compassionate and decisive, introverted but socially capable, and visionary yet action-oriented. They balance emotion and logic and strive to leave the world a better place. However, they need alone time to recharge and can struggle with balancing high ideals and reality. Advocates are one of the rarest types, making up only about 1 to 2% of the population. Celebrate their unique qualities. Advocates have the power to inspire and make meaningful changes in the world. The mediator. If you value deep connections and personal growth while needing plenty of alone time to recharge, you might be a mediator. Mediators are quiet and reserved, curious and open-minded, and empathetic and supportive. They enjoy solitude, constantly explore new ideas, and deeply care about others' personal growth. Their strengths include being idea catalysts, having deep values, and being compassionate. However, they may struggle with decision-making and conflict avoidance, preferring harmony even when confrontation is necessary. Famous people like J.R.R. Tolkien and Princess Diana embody the creativity and empathy characteristic of this type. Think of Frodo Baggins from The Lord of the Rings, a quiet, introspective hero with a deep sense of purpose. If you're a mediator, embrace your creative and empathetic nature. The architect. If you love planning, analyzing, and creating systems while preferring to work solo, you might be an architect. Architects are known for their blend of creativity and analytical skills, independence, and high self-confidence. They work long hours, have incredibly high standards, and rely on logic and objective data. However, they can struggle with interpersonal skills, often seeming rude or insensitive. Think of Dr. Gregory House from House, Maryland. Brilliant and analytical, but often abrasive. Architects are drawn to STEM fields, excel at strategic thinking, and appreciate competence and honesty in others. If you're an architect, remember that empathy can make your high standards more palatable. Keep creating and analyzing. Your vision can lead to incredible innovations. The thinker. If you love pondering life's big questions, and coming up with innovative solutions. You might be a thinker. Thinkers are quiet and thoughtful, valuing intellect over emotion. They prefer small social circles and enjoy exploring ideas and theories. Creative problem solvers excel at thinking outside the box and are naturally skeptical and critical. Thinkers often struggle with avoiding structure and can seem aloof in social situations. Think of Sherlock Holmes, a brilliant detective who uses logic and keen observation. Thinkers are drawn to careers in academia, research, and technology, communicating in a straightforward and logical manner. To build trust, engage their mind, and respect their need for space. Cherish their unique perspective and keep questioning and exploring. Ideas change the world. The persuader. If you love being the center of attention, making quick decisions, and living life on the edge, you might be a persuader. Persuaders are outgoing and dramatic, thriving in social settings and enjoying material comforts. They have strong social skills, are quick decision makers, detail-oriented, and impulsive risk takers. However, they struggle with planning, impulsivity, and maintaining a long attention span. Think of Tony Stark, Iron Man, a charismatic, quick-thinking innovator who loves the spotlight and takes risks. Persuaders excel in careers like sales, marketing, entertainment, and entrepreneurship. Their communication style is quick, effective, and charismatic. To communicate with them, be direct and angered in action. If you're a persuader or know one, enjoy the vibrant, spontaneous energy they bring. Keep embracing your boldness and charisma. It's what makes you unique. The director. If you love to take charge, keep things running smoothly, and uphold traditions and standards, you might be a director. Directors are natural leaders who enjoy organizing and managing people and situations. They're confident, decisive, and respect traditions, expecting others to do the same. Directors excel in leadership roles thanks to their clear communication, strong self-confidence, and dedication to order and efficiency. However, they can be rigid, brutally honest, and struggle with control issues, sometimes leading to micromanagement. Think of Leslie Knope from Parks and Recreation, a dedicated, hard-working government employee committed to order and tradition. Directors thrive in roles within civil duties, government, or any field requiring strong organizational skills and leadership. Their communication style is clear and direct, ensuring they are taken seriously. To build trust with a director, show respect for their principles and be reliable. Prove that you value tradition and can be depended on to follow through with commitments. Directors bring structure and efficiency to any situation, leading with integrity and strength. The performer. If you love being the center of attention, seeking new experiences, and living life to the fullest, you might be a performer. Performers are the life of the party, hands-on learners and adventure seekers who thrive in dynamic settings. Their key traits include being perceptive and empathetic, fun-loving, adaptable, expressive, and engaging. They bring joy and energy to any situation, making them great conversationalists and empathetic listeners. However, they struggle with long-term planning and may lack stability and consistency due to their aversion to routine. Think of Joey Tribbiani from Friends. Always charming, seeking fun, and enjoying new experiences. Performers often excel in social roles and dynamic environments, bringing positivity and excitement to any group. To support a performer, understand their need for fun and spontaneity, and celebrate the energy and joy they bring. Performers make life more exciting and colorful, always ready to turn any moment into an adventure. Keep shining and spreading that infectious positivity. The caregiver. If you love helping others and value kindness and respect, you might be a caregiver. Caregivers are sensitive to others' needs, have high values, and seek approval from their community. They excel in kindness and compassion, creating supportive and harmonious environments. However, they can be easily hurt by criticism and mean behavior. Think of Molly Weasley from Harry Potter, a loving and nurturing figure. Caregivers thrive in roles like teaching, nursing, and social work. Appreciate the love and positivity they bring, making the world a kinder place. The giver. If you find joy in helping others and often prioritize your friend's success over your own, you might be a giver. Givers are extroverted, social, affectionate, and supportive. They are selfless, often putting others' needs before their own. Givers thrive in encouraging and uplifting others, solving disagreements, and mediating conflicts. However, they can be harshly self-critical and neglect their own needs, leading to burnout. Think of Leslie Knope from Parks and Recreation, always supportive and putting her friends first. Givers excel in careers like teaching, counseling, social work, and leadership roles. Appreciate the love and support they bring to your life, and if you're a giver, remember to take care of yourself too. Your selflessness and dedication make the world a kinder place. The debater. If you love engaging in discussions, challenging ideas, and exploring new concepts, you might be a debater. Debaters are great conversationalists, intellectually curious, honest, and direct. They enjoy challenging others, are laid back, and are innovative and creative. However, they can push arguments too far, derail conversations, and their honesty can come off as blunt. Think of a dynamic lawyer or an innovative entrepreneur. Debaters make life more interesting and intellectually stimulating, always pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The commander. If you thrive on leadership, enjoy socializing, and love solving complex problems, you might be a commander. Commanders have strong verbal skills, are well-informed, and are natural leaders. They excel at problem solving, long-term planning, and leading with kindness. However, they can struggle with emotional expression and have high standards that can seem demanding. Think of Miranda Priestly from The Devil Wears Prada. A powerful, decisive leader, commanders excel in strategic roles and communicate directly and authoritatively. Respect their expertise and be reliable to build trust. Commanders drive success by pushing for improvement and efficiency. All right, everyone, thanks for sticking around. Now, here's a little food for thought. Some of us, like myself, might see a bit of each personality type in ourselves. And guess what? That's totally okay. In fact, it's a superpower. You can adapt and use different personality strengths depending on the situation you're in. Embrace those strengths and keep an eye on the weaknesses. My take, you can be whoever you want to be in this world, while also making the most of who you are right now. These two ideas don't contradict each other. They actually complement each other perfectly. So, what's your personality type? Share it in the comments below and connect with others like you. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more content like this. Stay awesome, and I'll catch you in the next video.